Good morning. Today we continue the explication of chapter 4 fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions with the same denominator, page 77. Here is a chocolate bar made of this chocolate bar. In line we have 4 parts and in a column we have 3 parts. The total number of parts is 4 times 3 equal to 12 parts. So this chocolate bar made of 12 parts. Sami eats 2 parts. That's meaning Sami eats 2 parts from 12. Zena eats a column. It's a column, so that's meaning 3 parts equal to 3 from 12 or 3 over 12 parts. Amal eats half a line. Amal eats half a line. A line is 4 parts, so she eats 2 parts from 12. Together they ate. Together كلهم مع بعض they ate 2 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 7 parts. 7 parts from 12. So 2 over 12, the part that Sami eats, plus 3 over 12, the part Zena eats, plus 2 over 12, the fraction represents the part that Amal eats, equal to addition this fraction, to add this fraction, we add the numerator 2 plus 3 plus 2 and we conserve the denominator. يعني بنخلي نفس الدينومينيتور وبنعمل addition للنumerator. 2 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 7 over 12. So they ate together 7 over 12 parts. To add a fraction with the same denominator, you have to add their numerators and keep the common denominator. يعني لحتى نعمل addition of a fraction have the same denominator. هم مثل يعني عندهم نفس denominator. For example 12 12 12. شو بنعمل؟ we add the numerator. For example a over d plus b over d. We add first the two fractions have the same denominator. First we add the numerator a plus b and we keep the common denominator d. Now page 78, the number of remaining parts is يعني نحن قلنا انه زينة, Sami and Amal ate together 7 parts. The remaining parts is, the total parts is 12 minus the parts eaten by Amal, Sami and Zena. 12 minus 7 equal to 5 parts. So the number of remaining parts is 5. The representation of remaining parts as a fraction is 5 over 12. So 12 over 12. 12 over 12 is the total, the fraction that represent the total parts of chocolate bar. 12 over 12 minus the fraction represent the quantity eating by Sami, Zena and Amal, minus 7 over 12 equal to, we keep the common denominator and we subtract the numerator. 12 minus 7 equal to 5 and we keep the same denominator 12. To subtract fraction with the same denominator, لحتى نعمل subtraction لاثنين fraction عندهم نفس denominator, you have to subtract their numerators. نعمل subtraction للnumerators اللي لهم مثل هون 12 minus 7 equal to 5 and keep the common denominator ومنخلي نفس الدينومينيتور اللي عندهم اياه اثنيناتهم اللي هو ال 12. مثل هون عندنا a over b minus b over d sorry minus d over b. هون a over d minus b over d. The two fractions have the same denominator d. We put d in the denominator and we subtract the two numerator a minus b. Important remarks. A fraction makes sense when its denominator is not null because the fraction 2 over 7, 7 over 0, 8 over 0, 12 over 0 make no sense. يعني ليكون في عنا الفراكشن عندها sense مش لازم يكون الدينومينيتور اللي إلها 0. تاني remarks, the fractions 12 over 12 means 12 parts among 12. 12 over 12 يعني هي التوتال، يعني كأنه عندي هيدا الشوكليت بار اللي عندنا إياه هو الميد made up 12 parts. جينا نحن أخذنا ال 12 parts كلهم. So a whole slab, hence 12 over 12 equal to 1. يعني إذا أخذنا 12 من 12 بنكون أخذنا 1، يعني أخذنا البار كله اللي هو عبارة عن بار واحد. A fraction is equal to 1 if its numerator and its denominator are equal. بيكون في عندنا الفراكشن بتساوي 1 إذا كان في عندنا نفس النيميريتور والدينومينيتور equal بيساوي بعض، يعني مثل a over a equal to 1. The fraction 0 over 12 means 0 parts among 12, so no parts. إذا عندنا fraction 0 over 12 يعني إذا بهيدا البار شوكليت بار 0 over 12 يعني أنا مش ماخد ولا بارت، يعني ماخد 0. So no parts, hence 0 over 12 equal 0. من هون فينا نعمل conclusion. A fraction is null if its numerator is null. يعني كل fraction عندها numerator 0 بتكون كل هاي الفراكشن بتساوي 0 شو ما كان الدينومينيتور اللي لها.